This amazing braid hairstyle with unique calling that got my daughter so excited. Watch to the end, guys. The first thing I did, I moisturized the hair. After doing it, I make sure I massage everything in it, and I use brush to brush the edges in together with the hair. And another thing I did, I sprayed my Tangle free uh, oil spray in the hair. So then I massage everything together, give it a good combing, and before I start the braid. So this is a very easy hairstyle, and if you want to make braid or make hair, it is very necessary to moisturize your hair first. These are the things I normally do behind the camera. All right, I moisturize my kids' hair first before I start making it. But I decided to be showing it because some people they were asking me how I'm making their hair because they don't complain that when I'm combing it or when I'm parting the hair, they don't complain that the hair is spinning there or something. So that's why I decided to say, okay, let me show it on how I do it. So, and another thing is, since I'm making all braid, I have to cut some parts out that I want to make first. Then the other parts I have to just either I pack them or I just made it one big cornrow, big style. So that is why you see front of the hair. I I just weave the front first. So when I get there, that's when I will lose the hair, start weaving it so that the moisturizing we just keep working on the hair while I'm doing the other part. So that's the reason for me. You see that I weave some parts, I just weave it straight there, leave it there. So it will help the hair not to dry, it will just remain the way it is. So like I said, this hair is a easy hairstyle. So the cornrow is just the same way I started it. That is the same way I finish it. I didn't have to show everything to avoid a excess length video. So if you see it now, the way I started from the back when I was at the side, that's why I showed it also. And this is the front. This is the last part I'm doing now. I think I have to make like 3 strands here, then it's finished. So after this, that's when I'll coil it. So the way I coil this hair, I've never done this kind of coiling before for my children. So I decided to make it like this. And trust me, guys, this coiling is so amazing. It's so nice. If you've not tried it, I recommend this way of coiling your hair. Maybe you want to make pick and drop or something, coil your hair this way and you will like it. So for the things that I use in curling the hair, just check my description and I will list out the names of the things I use after I coil the hair, what I spray on it. So I welcome you all back again to my channel, both my old and my new subscribers. If this is the first time coming across my channel, please don't forget to hit that subscribe button, turn on the notification bell so you get notified whenever I upload a new video. To my old and my new subscribers, thank you so much, and please give the video a thumbs up and also tell me what you think in the comment section. So guys, as you can see here, hey, as I was making this hair, I was kind of a bit tired because as you can see me now, I am really heavy. Imagine I was getting little contraction while making the hair. I was just trying to like make this hair. That's why I made my purpose of making this braid for my kids, guys, is for them to carry it for a long time because I am really old here. If you know what I mean, I am really old. Just here when I'm making this hair now, just a day before um the date I was given. So I decided to make them this kind of hair. So it will take them a long time before my body will be strong enough to make their hair, because I don't want anybody to touch my kids' hair. I love me making their hair. So that is why I made them this tiny hair, because normally I don't make them this kind of hair, because I lose their hair every 2 weeks. Yeah, every second weekend, that is when I change their hairstyle. So no need for me to be making it too tiny when I know I'll be taking it off in kind of 2 weeks time. So but this time they will take it a little bit longer. So that is why I made them this hairstyle. As I was even making this hair here, I was not myself. Like, guys, and I have her younger sister hair to make too the next day. So it is really, really sweet for me making this hair right now. And I'm glad I was able to make the hair like without any complication, without any me telling myself that okay, I want to quit. I want to keep making this hair. I was really tired. I was exhausted. Imagine me big this way. Can you see my belly? Imagine me big this way. Trying to like uh trying to just make myself comfortable while making the hair. So guys, this is how I coil the hair. I just weave it from the beginning. And when I got to where I didn't weave, that's when I started tightening it. I because I needed tight coiling. So that's when I started tightening it. And I got to some extent I have to stop and comb it, and I continue the other coiling. I'm so glad about this coiling, guys. So just keep watching. I hope you're following up the way I'm making it coiling. So I weave it some extent, I stopped, then I started using thread to finish the remaining parts of the hair, and it's really amazing. So I use color thread so you can see the way, because if I use black thread you will not know how far or how close I'm putting the thread. So that's why I normally use colored thread whenever I am coiling black hair, so you can see it will be so like obvious for you to see. So this is how I coiled all the hair. And yeah, after this, the next thing is hot water. After the hot water, I just apply some mounts to the hair, so to make keep the hair shine and strong. Here is the spraying gel that I sprayed on. That's why I say you should check my description um section to know the names of this thing I use. This one I'm using is very common. So I also spray this one on it. So this one is oil to keep it shiny. So all this I did before I started on weaving the hair. So after I'm weaving it, yeah, you'll see the hair will just be shiny. So that's the purpose of me spraying the olive oil spray at the end of the hair before I started the unweaving stuff. So the spraying gel stuff is to make the coils very strong, very hard. You see, let's say I'm stretching it now, like I hold it, stretch it to bounce back, to just bounce back. So it's not going to lose, because they're carrying the hair for a long time. So I had to make it very good for them. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope to see you guys in my next video. Thank you so much. Please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, and also help us to share. That's the way you can also support us. Thank you so much for liking our video and also help us to share. God bless you all, both our new and our old subscribers. Bye for now. See you in my next video next Tuesday, same time, 6:30 p.m.